The same designers who created the Le Mans winning prototypes also designed the 2011 R8. At the heart of the R8 5.2 FSI Quattro is the soul-stirring 525 horsepower 5.2 FSI V10 engine. Displayed under a transparent panel and nestled within a carbon fiber Sigma engine bay, the V10 screams to an astronomical 8,700 RPMs and propels the R8 5.2 to 60 miles per hour in only 3.7 seconds, on the way up to a top track speed of 196.4 miles per hour. An automated 6-speed manual gearbox combines the control of a manual gearbox with the advantages of an automatic. The entire cockpit of the R8 is tilted toward the driver for maximum performance from both the car and the driver. The suspension system of the R8 is further enhanced with Audi magnetic rod. Every detail of the R8 is designed for the sole purpose of performance.
You'll always deal direct with the owner and save at Audi Newton and Volkswagen of Newton. I guarantee it.